Hello, hello, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing pop art, comic strip, that sort of theme makeup look. Perfect for Halloween. The first thing I'm going to do is take this NYX foundation and brush that in, put it all over my neck, make sure everything matches. And I'm going to put it all over my forehead as well. This one is super drippy, so watch out so you don't ruin your clothes. This is a Jaclyn Hill and Morphe brush. And then taking my Maybelline Age Rewind concealer, I'm going to put that under my eyes, on my forehead, along my jawline, and around my mouth. I do this to make my angles look sharp around my mouth, to make it look brighter. And then I'm going to blend that in with my brush. I make sure that I pat and then blend it out. That way we're not swooping away any foundation. I make sure to get my eyes to make sure they're perfectly primed for some eyeshadow. Next, I'm going to pat some RCMA No Color Powder in with my Flower Beauty Sponge everywhere that I just put concealer. This is to let it kind of cook into my face, make sure it sets perfectly and looks nice and smooth. I blow out my face like that so I fill in any lines that might be around my mouth. Next, I'm going to fill in my brows with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in Blonde. I just spoolie them out and fill them in, nothing special. Now I'm sweeping away all that powder with my big fluffy Morphe brush. Notice how I'm patting and sweeping. I'm not moving any foundation around or anything. I'm just pushing that into my skin. Now I'm taking my Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula, which smells amazing. Oh my god. And I'm going to put that on I'm going to make a 3 along each side of my face. So my forehead, my contour, and then underneath my jaw. I also like to throw this on the sides of my nose occasionally. This just brings some warmth into the face, makes it look like you have more dimensions than just one. And Physicians Formula, if you are listening, I need that scent in everything. Next is my Kevyn Aucoin Sculpting Powder in Medium. I'm going to take this on a dense brush and put that right underneath where I put that bronzer, and under my lips to make them look nice and full, and under my jawline to make it look sharp. I also contour my nose, make it look a little smaller, and then I'm going to blend, make sure nothing looks harsh. Can you tell I want big lips? Alright, now I'm taking this blush that is way too pink, and I'm just going to put that on the apples of my cheeks. Now with my NYX Ultimate Brights palette, I'm going to go into this bright yellow shade on a fluffy brush and put it all in my crease. I'm really blending this out, taking it nice and high, and making sure that color is nice and blended out and diffused. Now going in with this green shade, I'm going to take that in the crease just a little bit lower than I took that yellow. This is to build dimension, make it look nice and pretty and deep. It also adds more color, and I'm putting a lot of it in my outer V to make my eyes look big. If you're having trouble getting color to stick, go ahead and pat it right in and then blend it out. You'll get a little more color payoff that way. When my brush has less powder on it, or less eyeshadow on it, I'll bring it more into the center of my eye. Blend it out some. Then I'm going to take this gold shade right here, and I'm just going to blend the edges so they mush together and they don't look so harsh. This is just on my Kylie Cosmetics Peach Palette brush, whatever came with it. And then I'm going to go back in with that green and deepen it up since I blended some of it away. I'm also going to take the excess and blend that underneath my eyes to kind of complete the look. I love a nice smudged out under eye. Now going in with this yellowy green shade. On a flat shader brush, I'm going to put that all over the inner about 2/3 of my eye. Now going into my Kylie Cosmetics Peach Palette, I'm going to take this greeny yellow shade and take my middle finger and place that all over the middle of my eye. This will bring my eye, the center of my eye forward, making it look bigger. I also love to add any glitter to a look. Glitter is amazing. And then I'm going to throw on some mascara real quick so my false eyelashes have something to stick to and they look a little more natural. Reminder to always use a middle or a ring finger when touching your eyes. Now, while my glue dries on my false eyelashes, I'm going to go ahead and create a wing with my Sigma eyeliner. I'm bringing my inner corner in farther than it actually is and extending it to my nose to make my eyes look more elongated and cartoon-like. Next, I'm going to press on my false eyelashes, pressing my fake eyelashes to my real eyelashes, making sure everything is nice and cohesive. Next, I'm going to take my Stila eyeliner and I'm going to draw new bottom lashes for my look because I want my eyes to look giant and cartoon-like for this pop art look we're doing. So I'm going to create new bottom lashes and I'm going to fill that in. Now I'm going to go around my face and create all of those pop art lines that make it look like someone drew my face. I'm going to go on my nose, around the edges, anywhere where your face might have some sort of depth change. So I'm putting it around my forehead, in my contour line, on my jaw, around my nose, around my mouth. Anywhere where an artist might change color. Don't be afraid to mess around with these lines. No one is perfect. Everything is fun to try. Your art is your art. There are no rules. Now I'm going to outline the teardrops on my face with my eyeliner. And I'm going to fill that in with my NYX eyeliner in a bright blue shade. Once I line my lips and create those little depth marks. I'm also going to go along my collarbone and my neck to create a little more consistency, bringing everything down the neck like we always want to do. Blend it out, make it look alright, like everything's meant to be together. And because a sexist male drew me, I'm going to add boob lines. Yay! All I'm doing here is lining my lips, and then I'm adding 3 lines on the bottom lip and 2 on the top lip right in the middle just to make it look a little more like they're drawn on. I look like I have a mustache. Oh my god. Now I'm taking that NYX blue eyeliner and filling in my tears. Now with my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Milk, I'm coloring right in between where my actual lash line is and my new lash line that I drew. Here I'm just using a spatula to get right in there since I had worn my eye pencil down so far I couldn't get in there. Oh, pretty faces we're making. Why aren't we on Vogue? And now with my jumbo eye pencil, since it's nice, worn down, and fat, I'm just going to draw white dots all over my face and my neck. I was having a little trouble with pigmentation, so I would press and turn the eyeliner, and that helped it get a little brighter. Always remember to bring everything you're doing on your face down to your neck. Next, I'm filling in my lips with a red lipstick. This is just one from NARS I had in a sample. And I'm going to leave little patches where I want to add the white eyeliner. So I'm leaving one on the left side of my top lip and one on the right side of my bottom lip. Now I'm just going in with that white eyeliner and I'm filling in those patches. Now I'm going in with that white eyeliner. This makes our lips look more like they were drawn to be in sort of a three-dimensional art style. I'm just taking this little teensy brush and brushing it onto my eyeliner. And here's the final look. Thank you so much for watching. I had a ton of fun doing this. I had no idea how much fun it would be to play with eyeshadow and to play with an art style, like on my actual face. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.